Previously with Yvonne Boulevard.
All my following off of Instagram. All these dishes. I'm not about to film myself washing my dishes, but I have a lot of dishes. Hey, it is late Sunday night, so y'all go be getting this vlog like early in the morning wherever you are at. Because right now in Utah, it's like around 11 p.m. Okay, I'm gonna end up doing the dishes on camera. But anywho, washing my hair. I have fuzzy, curly hair, so I need to get product for my curls, okay? Cause I got those curls like, you know how you see those curly, fuzzy wigs? Like, that's how my hair is. But I need to get like a good product for my hair curls that I can use, like Cantu, stuff like that. My house is a complete mess. I'm tired. When I got home, I sat in my yard on the bench and closed my eyes for like 10 seconds because I was that tired. Like, when I got off of work, I was super tired. Like, I was drained. Let alone last night when I woke up late, like around midnight. I shaved off my eyebrows and then I went back to sleep for like 2 hours. Woke up at 2 a.m. Got ready for work, making sure that I find a taxi that will for sure pick me up so that I can arrive to work on time, right? At 6 a.m. And look, found the taxi, but I couldn't get an Uber. Like, the Uber app was not working, and that was super weird. So I was super tired by the time I got to work because I woke up at 2 a.m., you know, preparing to find a ride to go to work. This is why I do not work on Sundays, because on Sundays, the buses do not run early, and sometimes it's hard to get a taxi because sometimes taxis don't be available early in the morning on Sundays because they could be busy, you know, at the airport or already have customers that they're driving somewhere. And then Uber app was acting up, and this is why I just don't work on Sundays, because it's too complicated. Look at me, I'm drained, I'm drenched. I was so tired today when I got home. I was sick. Now I wanted to do this video where I'm talking about Sunday resets, sitting down, got the candlelight burning, but no, this is reality. Right here, this is just reality. This is just what it is. Okay, your girl tired. Thankfully, I'm off of work for the next 4 days. I would have been off of work today if I didn't pick up an extra work day. But I'm not working Sundays no more because I will not allow myself to be tired like this. And before, when I used to work Saturdays and Sundays, I remember on Sundays, I used to be exhausted the way I am right now. But I'm good, right? Made something to eat. I cleaned up. I need to clean the bathroom. I swept the floors. In the morning, I'm gonna get up and mop and then wipe down the appliances in the kitchen. Okay, I'm gonna just take it easy, all right? I'm gonna just take it easy, 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 because your girl's just tired. But I wanted to get y'all a vlog up. I know I've been pushing myself, and it's crazy. I've been pushing myself, but no, I really want to be doing YouTube. I really want to vlog. I know I'm tired, but guess what? Once I'm done cleaning up, I'm about to get my butt in my bed and go to sleep. Good morning, hello. So I finished my appointment already. I didn't know that the maintenance people were going to show up so early. I was amazed. Yeah, got it out of the way. I know I need to do my laundry. Hold on. I slept so good last night. Once I turned off this camera, I was out. I slept so good. I wanted this vlog to go up last night, but I'm gonna upload it today. Today is Monday, April the 22nd. And yeah, this vlog is gonna go up. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do a bonus vlog today, but I know most definitely soon I'm gonna upload this vlog. But right now I need to get laundry ready to wash. I need to do my laundry. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, do laundry, get that out of the way. Because I do not like doing laundry. I'm not a fan of laundry. I'm not a fan of dishes. But it's time for your girl to wash some laundry. Feminine Hygiene Care cranberry juice. Now those little bottles of cranberry juice were the only bottles of cranberry juice I could find at my local store. Let me fix this camera because I feel like y'all just see my big old head in the camera. So good. I need to also find some cranberry supplements. I'll try to do that today by going to the Dollar Tree. We are going to the Dollar Tree, and we're going to a different Dollar Tree. I'm just one of those people who can't sleep all day, although yesterday I was tired. This cranberry juice is so strong. Warming some food up right now because I'm hungry. I need to put some food in my body. Today is going to be a beautiful day, and I'm so excited to upload y'all a vlog today. Egg sandwich with sausages. After making that sausage and egg sandwich, my house smells like sausages. It smells good. I'm gonna go ahead and upload this vlog today. Let me see if I can get myself all the way into this camera because I need to work on that instead of being so up close to y'all in camera. Okay, look, you need to stay. Okay, so hold on. Okay, doesn't want to stay. Okay, there we go. Now I feel like I'm all the way in the camera. How y'all doing? It is very hot today. I have my gadgets charging, like my iPhone and my cell phone. And see you in the next vlog.